Okay, so what we got here is a standard garage door opener, and I'm trying to convert this garage door opener for a motor to run a winch for an automatic projector screen, a big 200-inch projector screen to roll it up and down. And as you'll notice, I've got it hooked up to the two terminals that the switch goes to. I don't have the cat's eye safety eyes. I got this thing for free. They just didn't come with the safety eyes, so I don't have that. But you can see the problem when I push the button, and I've just got a button hooked up here. It's just a remote start off for starting a car. But you'll see it'll go one direction and open. And it'll hit the end of the limit switches down here, and it'll shut itself off. Okay, now to go the other way, when I hit the button, you'll see it goes down so far and then goes back. Because I don't have the cat's eye safety eyes hooked up. You can't just jump these because it takes a pulse-coded signal. These are kind of smart, and I think they do that for safety, so you can't just jumper them and defeat the system. What a lot of guys do is take the cat's eyes and just tape them together, pointing at each other, and then hook them up, and that defeats the system. But I don't have the eyes because I didn't get it. I got this thing for free and it didn't come with it. So I need a way to defeat this without buying a set of eyes or finding a set of eyes. Looking on YouTube, I found a video by Joel. I want to say his name right. I hope I say it right. It's Joel Salmodias at Mr. Free Energy. And he has a really good video on a lot more of the ins and outs of why and how to do this. It's a lot of it's kind of above my head as far as the electronics of it, but I pretty well got the basics of it. But I want to give Joel at Mr. Free Energy the credit for giving me the inspiration to do this video and this conversion. So what I've got is a 555 timer board that Joel says works pretty good. And his video goes all through how to set this thing up. And I'm gonna set this up and see if I can use this to defeat this system. It takes this board and a diode. He says the diode, I believe he said in some replies and stuff that the value of the diode really wasn't important. It just needs a diode. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up and hook it in and see if this will work. Got my helper here, Mr. Jacob. Say hi, Jacob. Hi, buddy. Say hi. How you doing? You helping Dad? Good job. Okay, so I got the 555 timer. I installed the diode like it shows in the video, which basically goes from the outer two pins with the mark towards the VCC terminal. Okay, I've got a wire attached to the ground. I've also got a wire attached to the positive. The positive hooks to the number 3 terminal on the garage door. The ground wire hooks to the number 2 terminal. As per his instructions, you move this jumper from the number 1 position to number 2, so you just move it over 1 position to number 2. Turn these screws all the way clockwise. You'll hear them click, and that's when you know that they're turned all the way clockwise. Then you turn this one, this top resistor, you turn it, I'm going to turn it clockwise. Then you turn it counterclockwise till the LED comes on. You see the LED came on. Okay, got my button hooked up to the door, And now it should go down. Oh, there it goes. Woohoo! See, and it doesn't go back up. We'll go till it hits the end of the stop. The stop switch, the limit switch. And then hit it again. Now it'll go up. I think I counted with the limit switches at full range. It'll do about 36 turns from stop to stop. So that gives you any information for any project you might want to do. Hit the button again. And there we go. So now I can use this to make a winch that will automatically roll up and roll down a movie screen. And I can also have it on a remote. I can set the stops. You can see here I can set the stops. See the micro switch here, micro switch there, and this here is the contacts. And it'll just go till it touches the micro switch. That's what shuts it off. They're adjustable here. You can adjust that up or down to get whatever desired shut off point you need, shut off or turn on. So there it is, off to building the movie screen. What do you think, bud? Do we do good? All right, thank you for helping. Jake here stripped wire, he twisted the wire, he helped me solder, he held parts, he cut wire. He's good help, aren't you? Yeah, all right, thank you, buddy.